Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to visit St. Michael's Cathedral in Sitka City, Alaska, United States of America. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. St. Michael's Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of St. Michael the Archangel, is a cathedral of the Orthodox Church in America Diocese of Alaska, at Lincoln and Maksoutoff Streets in Sitka, Alaska. The earliest Orthodox cathedral in the New World, it was built in the 19th century, when Alaska was under the control of Russia, though this structure burned down in 1966. After 1872, the cathedral came under the control of the Diocese of Alaska. It had been a National Historic Landmark since 1962, notable as an important legacy of Russian influence in North America and Southeast Alaska in particular. An accidental fire destroyed the cathedral during the night of January 2, 1966, but it was subsequently rebuilt. The new building's green domes and golden crosses are a prominent landmark in Sitka. Some of the icons date to the mid-17th century. Two icons are by Vladimir Borovikovsky. St. Michael's Cathedral is located in the downtown business district in Sitka, on the southwestern coast of Baranof Island in the Alexander Archipelago of southeastern Alaska. Its surroundings along Lincoln Street and Maksoutoff Street, which ends at the cathedral, have not altered much during the last more than 100 years. Harrigan Centennial Hall on Harbor Drive lies behind the cathedral, while Pioneer's Home is to its left. The restored Russian Bishop's House, home of the first Orthodox Bishop of Alaska, Innocent Veniaminov, is also nearby, operated by the National Park Service as part of the Sitka National Historical Park. The history of St. Michael's Cathedral in Sitka, Alaska, is rich and complex. The ancient building has been witness to the birth, life, and death of many Alaskans. It has risen and fallen with the fortunes of the fur trade, the mining boom, and the tourism industry. Over the past century, the cathedral has been the spiritual and cultural center of the region, a place of refuge, a symbol of community, and a place of worship for generations of Alaskans. A cathedral is a place of worship, a place of quiet contemplation and spiritual nourishment. Located on the north shore of St. George Island, St. Michael's Cathedral is a place to come together in prayer and celebration, to experience the presence of God and to find peace in the midst of life's hard realities. The cathedral is a living expression of the Church's mission, bringing the love and hope of Christ to the community it serves. The cathedral is not a museum, but rather a place where people gather and worship in community, where work is done and families are nurtured, where people are inspired by the presence of God. St. Michael's Cathedral is the tallest building in Sitka, Alaska. It is a neo-Gothic church built in 3 stages between 1902 and 1922. The tallest spire is 260 feet high. The cathedral is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The interior decorations and fittings consist of the rich and much valued original collection of Russian religious art that had embellished the earlier cathedral. 2 notable icons, both by Borovikovsky, are Our Lady of Sitka, familiarly the Sitka Madonna, and Christ Pantocrator, Christ the Judge or Christ Omnipotent. The icon screens that divide the nave and the chapels from the altars are hung on the walls. A raised podium at the center of the nave is the bishop's throne, which has a backless cushioned seat, representing the diocese, and an intricately embroidered carpet or orlets used by the bishop while offering divine services. The iconostasis of the main sanctuary, dedicated to the Archangel, or St. Michael, has the deacon's doors and royal doors made in the Italian Rococo design, contrasted to the simple exterior and interior walls. The screen of iconostasis, however, is new, carved out of wood and painted white with gilded border. It is an exact replica made from a small remnant of the original, retrieved from the fire. The icons are of Christ the Savior and the Virgin Mary, made in 18th-19th century style, and are silver-plated. The icon of the Archangel Michael is depicted on the extreme right and of St. Nicholas on extreme left. They are made in silver but gilded. Also seen are icons of the 4 evangelists on the 4 corners carved in relief on the door. Icons of the Annunciation and the Theotokos, Mother of God, are carved at the center. All the icons are of recent restoration. Paintings of scenes from the Old and New Testaments, in the style of Western religious art, decorate the walls of the dome and the chapel. These were gifts from Count Victor Kochubey and Countess Anna Orlova, who were close to the Tsars Alexander I, 1800 to 1825, and Nicholas I, 1825 to 1855. Apart from all the decorations in the interior, there are 5 display cases filled with treasures of the cathedral retrieved from the fire. 2 are in each chapel and 1 is in the nave. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video and we'll explore new places of Sitka City, Alaska, United States.